C-Band International is a leader in the field of natural personal care and wellness products. In 1984, the company began manufacturing and distributing the original C-Band, a unique wristband developed by an American surgeon to alleviate seasickness. In early 2004, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the original C-Band. It has since been used to treat nausea and vomiting in a variety of applications, including pregnancy, chemotherapy, post-operative, and all other nausea-related conditions.
Anika Denise, pregnant with her second child, is thankful for that. Severe morning sickness, the reason why.
Really, I was nauseous all day long, pretty much every day. And also was having trouble keeping food down.
A friend told her about C-Band.
When I looked at them, I thought, how does it work?
Based on the ancient Chinese healing art of acupressure, C-bands work by exerting constant, gentle pressure on the Niquan point in the inner wrist.
C-Band is a low-tech product. It is a very simple knitted wristband that has a little knob that puts pressure on an acupuncture point on the inside of the wrist.
Hello, my name is Dr. Dave Siemens. I'm from the Mayo Clinic in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm a practicing anesthesiologist there, where I do perioperative anesthesia as well as pain management. In the operating room, I'm exposed to patients that have postoperative nausea on a daily basis. This has been a long-standing problem for patients recovering from surgery. C-Band is based on century-old Chinese understanding of acupuncture to help patients with pain and many other ailments, including nausea. C-Band uses an acupressure, and if you look, you can see the acupressure dot here, to be applied directly to the P6 acupuncture point to help patients with postoperative nausea. These can be applied preoperatively as well as postoperatively, and patients can actually take these C-Band home with them to use in the immediate postoperative period.
To be effective, C-bands must be positioned correctly, with one on each wrist.
The first day I used them, and within, I would say, maybe 10 minutes of putting them on, I started to feel a difference.
Hi, my name is Bill Grant. I'm the Associate Dean for Graduate Medical Education at the State University of New York, Upstate Medical University in Syracuse, New York. Among the most common side effects of chemotherapy are nausea and vomiting. We are always looking for ways to address these issues among our patients, and especially those procedures or processes that do not induce additional side effects or result in additional drug interactions, which is what makes C-Band wristbands so ideal. Numerous clinical studies have demonstrated that continuous pressure and stimulation on acupressure points on the inside of each wrist are significant in reducing nausea and vomiting effects, whether induced by chemotherapy, anesthesiology, or pregnancy. C-Band is leading the way in drug-free, all-natural approaches to these problems. If you're looking for an FDA-cleared product that you can prescribe for your patients, C-Band wristbands is an excellent, all-natural, drug-free alternative.
The original C-Band is available in over 50 countries around the world. To learn more, go to www.c-band.com or call toll-free 1-888-855-2739.